is beautiful. Hi, this is Gary.
How you doing?
And he actually restored this. And he's going to tell us about that.
What happened is the front end was all caved in up here. I had the pieces welded into new glass.
Okay.
The frame was off a different car, and it was all in pieces when we got it.
And how do they work?
Well, they have an engine here. And you have like, this is like your gear shifts, it's like a standard. This is braking, and this is throttle.
Ah, that's so interesting. So this is the gears.
That's the gears.
And that's the brake.
That's your throttle.
Okay, clutch, and these tell you your speeds, right?
Well, no, these are like, oil pressure. This down here is like, voltage. Like if I turn that on, it'll tell you the voltage.
Oh, cool.
Now this isn't stock. I took it and did all digital dashings myself. Plus this is the speedometer I put in.
Ah, okay.
Up here we have the radio.
Okay, do you still check tracks when you're doing this, or are you just doing it for pleasure?
Oh, this is for pleasure.
But in the old days, they used it to inspect the railroad tracks,
Yes,
right?
I did. For example, today when they were going down the first time, there's trees across the track, so they had to stop, cut the trees up.
Ah, okay. This is really interesting. Thank you for showing me this. Have fun.
Now where you gotta go to?
Every day, what?
Are you going across the road?
Yeah. Oh, he's going to take me for a ride. Okay. Thank you. We're going to go for a ride. So Gary's going to drive. Woo! So awesome.
We're actually towing a guy too.
We got people behind us. Do they know you're going to stop?
I don't know how far down we're going, but it's kind of serious.
And I can get out? And I got to get on that track.
That would be a faster car.
With this?
It would be a faster car, we'll let you know.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you. Good. Got the hand up here. So awesome to be to do this back here. Woo, it goes pretty fast for a train. This is a speeder.
You're welcome. Just be careful when you walk here. Don't step on the rail or that, okay?
Yeah, we gotta be careful we don't get run over. So have a lovely day. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye. These are all the speeders, and they were so nice to give me a ride. These are all privately owned. And they are just a wonderful thing. I would love to join this club. This is great. Thanks, guys. Bye.